Bene, good morning, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. In today's video, we're going to learn how to say, it is closed, like if it was a business. To say that in Navajo, you'd say, Dá'deelkaal, Dá'deelkaal. And Dá'deelkaal describes doors being closed or locked. It is past tense. The future tense is Dá'deelkaal. Dá'deelkaal. To say, hurry up, Walmart is going to close on us, you would say, Skeensko ante, Walmart, nichits Dá'deelkaal. Skeensko ante, Walmart, nichits Dá'deelkaal. The present tense is Dá'deelkaal. Dá'deelkaal. That's like it's closing now. To say Olive Garden is about to close, you'd say Olive Garden, kade, Dá'deelkaal. Olive Garden, kade, Dá'deelkaal. Now, Dá'deelkaal is past tense. Keep in mind there's no /l at the end. Dá'deelkaal. To say the clinic is closed for Memorial Day, you would say, Izel ine a Memorial Day binina Dá'deelkaal. Izel ine a Memorial Day binina Dá'deelkaal. To say it will be closed for Memorial Day, you would say, Izel ine a Memorial Day gunne Dá'deelkaal do. Izel ine a Memorial Day gunne Dá'deelkaal do. You can also use this verb to say that the computer locked out on me. You would say, computer shitsa Dá'deelkaal. Computer shitsa Dá'deelkaal. Dá'deelkaal means it locked me out. Now, if something was closing repetitively like a business, you would use the repetitive form, Dá'deelkaal. Dá'deelkaal. To say Walmart closes at 11 p.m., you would say, Walmart, Dá'deelkaal. Dá'deelkaal. Walmart, Dá'deelkaal. Dá'deelkaal. And that is today's Navajo Word of the Day. Dá'deelkaal. It is closed. Have a nice day.